change LLC name in NY. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change LLC name in NY. The first thing you want to do to rename your LLC in New York is start by checking the availability of your new name through state's business entity search. Next, fill out Form 2121, entering your current LLC name, its formation date, and the new name. If you need a certified copy for banks or for the IRS, also complete Form 2120, which is request for copies, and enclose the $5 certificate fee. Mail Form 2121, Form 2120, your payment, and the copy request to Department of State, Division of Corporations, 1 Commerce Plaza, 99 New York Avenue, Albany, NY 12231. Processing usually takes about 4 to 6 weeks. Once your amendment is approved, notify the IRS, the New York Department of Taxation and Finance, your bank and credit card companies, and any licensing authorities. Finally, update all of your business materials, websites, contracts, invoices, and opening agreement to reflect your LLC's new name. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.